Namaste, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me Gangothri again. So today we are going to learn about how to do the Agnihotra, so importance of Agnihotra, so when to do Agnihotra and so on. So let us understand now what is Agnihotra. So Agnihotra is a simple healing fire from the ancient Vedas. So what is Agnihotra? So there is two words in it, Agni and Otra. Agni means a fire, we all know that. Otra means nothing but it's a healing. So fire healing or healing fire. So that's what called as Agnihotra. So Agnihotra is a fire easy therapy which heal for all our issues. So this is a simple and very easy that everyone can practice or everyone can perform this Agnihotra into their day-to-day life. So this Agnihotra is used for every problem. It's not only for this, that. So every problem, this Agnihotra has a solution. So like any financial issues, any health issues, any agriculture issues, any kind of climate changes, pollution, for everything if you want a solution, then Agnihotra is the one. Agnihotra is a solution for all problem we create for ourselves or for the whole world nature. Agnihotra can be a great help to solving many problems in our present day world. Our world is presently in a bad shape. The earth has become very widely polluted. The animals, birds and some plants are getting looser and less. To get a solution for this, then start doing of Agnihotra. All you need is a copper homa kunda like this. You can purchase from online also. So this is a desi cow dung. So very important to use a desi cow dung. And very important, the ghee, a desi cow ghee is a very important. So both desi cow ghee and desi cow dung, very important. And very basic, a raw, unbroken and unpolished rice is very important. This is a simple ingredients which you need to do Agnihotra. Let's see how to practice or how to do this Agnihotra. So you need to build like this properly. So the small piece which is there, it's just for a support. Okay, you just create a nice with the cow dung. So very important this piece is. So you just want to apply a ghee, desi cow ghee. And melt the ghee. So here you can see the complete ghee has been melted. If you want, you can just apply the ghee for this pieces also. That's totally fine. If you want, you can just apply. If you don't want, that's fine. For this rice, add some ghee and mix it well. And make a 2 parts from this rice. Why 2 parts? I'll going to tell you later. Like this, make a 2 parts. So what you did just now, it's complete preparation for Agnihotra. So the time will be there for sunset and sunrise time. According to that time, you just want to perform this Agnihotra. Where you stay or where the place where you stay, according to that timings of sunrise and sunset, you just want to do this Agnihotra. Yes, we are completely prepared this. Let us light the cow dung. Okay, you should have like this chimta. Okay, just light the cow dung. Just light the cow dung like this. When you apply the ghee, it will immediately get it to on the light. Om Mahajwalaya Vidmaye Agnijwalaya Dhimaye Tanno Agni Prachodayat Vaishvanaraya Vidmaye लाली लालाय धीमये तन्नो Agni prachodayat. The mantra which I tell you just now, it's Agni Sparsha mantra. So this is not mandatory. If you want, you can just learn this mantra. Now let us do Vyavruti. So I am going to do a Vyavruti mantra. I am going to tell the Vyavruti mantra. Bhusvaha Agniye idam namama Bhuvasvaha Vayuve idam namama Swasvaha Suryaya idam namama Bhurvuvasvasvaha Prajapataye idam namama Bhusvaha Agniye idam namama Bhuvasvaha Vayuve idam namama Swasvaha Suryaya idam namama Bhurvuvasvasvaha Prajapataye idam namama Bhusvaha Agniye idam namama Bhuvasvaha Vayuve idam namama Swasvaha Suryaya idam namama Bhurvuvasvasvaha Prajapataye idam namama. This mantra, which is not a mandatory, if you want you can just learn this mantra. Now the sunset time is happening. We make a 2 pieces, right? So there is 2 mantras. So at one time you just want to, with one mantra you just want to put the rice. At other mantra you want to put another group of the rice like this. You just take fingers like this. Agniye swaha, Agniye idam namama Prajapataye swaha, Prajapataye idam namama. This mantra is very important. You want to learn this 2-line mantra. When you put the rice, so that time you want to pronounce the mantra. Now the Agnihotra has been completed. Don't touch this and don't disturb this. Let it rest for a while. Let us pray. If you have any wishes, just pray in front of Agnihotra. So if you are doing the Agnihotra at the morning time, face towards east. If you are doing Agnihotra at the evening time, face towards west. So this is very important, the direction. Okay, remember you should take a shower and do this Agnihotra. Some people have a very good question. Do I want to take a shower and I want to do Agnihotra, or without shower? No, with shower, after taking a shower, you want to do Agnihotra. So these are 2 mantras I described in the description box also. You can just check out that too. If you want to know about more this Agnihotra, you can check out the description too. This is very simple. Everyone can do this homa. Not a male, not a female. Everyone can do this, a simple Agnihotra, which have very amazing benefit. Very, very special book, Bhagavad Gita, that Krishna has been mentioned about Agnihotra. In Vishnu Sahasranama, it has been mentioned. So very special and important thing about Agnihotra means, so if you do this Agnihotra just for one time, it produce or it create 3 tons of oxygen. See, this is how it's calm down the pollution. How does the Agnihotra help to the pollution? So like this, it create a 3 ton of oxygen, produce 3 tons of oxygen by doing of Agnihotra just for one time. So simple, you are just giving a small gift for the nature. So nature gives us so many things, right? Just give a small gift for the nature. Okay, so hope you will and everyone will do this Agnihotra. So see you on next video. Namaste. Be happy.